In this video, I'm going to be going through how to find the equations of tangents to circles. So here we're told the points A, 18 and B, 90 are the endpoints of a diameter of the circle W. Then we need to find the equation of a line that is a tangent to the circle W at A, and give your answer in the form ax plus by plus c, where p and q are elements of integers. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm just going to write in the coordinate there at A, which is 18, and then for B we have 90. And we're told then we need to find the equation to the tangent at A. So remember, a tangent will hit a circle only at one point. So we need to find the equation of a line. And to do that, you need one coordinate, which we have, but we also need what the slope is. So the first thing we need to do here is find the slope of AB, and then that slope is going to be perpendicular to our tangent. Okay, so we have the point 18 and 90. So let's find the slope here. The first thing I'm going to do is do x1, y1, x2, y2. And then I'm going to write out my slope formula, which is in your logbooks. So y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Now let's sub in our values. So y2 we have 0, then minus y1, which is 8, then all over x2, which is 9, and x1 then, which is 1. So I'm going to have minus 8 then over 8. Simplifying this then, so this gives us a slope of minus 1. So this is for the line AB, but I want the slope for the tangent. So whenever you're finding a perpendicular slope, so the perpendicular slope, you turn your slope upside down and change the sign. So when we change minus 1 upside down, it'll just still be just minus 1, but then change the sign, so it'll be 1. So now we have our slope, and now we have our point, because it tells us that it's the equation to the tangent at point A, which is 1, 8. So now the equation of a line is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, again in your logbooks. Okay, so now I just have to sub in my values. So I'm going to label here x1, y1. So I'm going to have y minus 8 is equal to 1, x then minus 1. Let's expand the brackets. So then I have 1 times x is x, 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. Now we're told our answer has to be in the form ax plus by plus c. So that means our x has to be positive. So then I'm going to bring everything over to the right hand side. So I'm going to have x minus y minus 1 plus 8 now equal to 0. So then I have x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. And that's the equation to my tangent. Okay, let's have a look at another one. In this question, we're told the circle C has equation x plus 2 all squared plus y minus 3 all squared equal to 100. And then we need to write down the coordinates of A, the center of C. In part 2 then, we need to write down the radius of circle C. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm just going to write down the equation of a circle, which is given to you in the logbooks. Okay, and then with center then is HK. Okay, so from that now we can find the center of the circle. So we're going to have then minus h is equal to 2. So then multiplying across by minus 1, we'll have h is equal to minus 2. Then we'll have minus k is equal to minus 3. Again, multiplying across by minus 1 gives us k equals 3. So our center then is minus 2, 3. Then For this radius of the circle, we're told it's equal to 100, so that means we have r squared equal to 100. So that means our radius is going to be square root of 100. So our radius is equal to 10. Now, we're told point P minus 811 is on the circle, and we need to find the equation of the tangent to the circle at point P, and give your answer in the form ax plus by plus c, where P and Q are elements of integers. Sorry, that should be A and B are elements of integers, not P and Q. Okay, so to do this, first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw just a rough sketch of how this looks. So we're told we have a center, minus 2, 3, and then we have minus 8, 11 is on the circle. So rough sketch here, I'm going to put minus 8, 11 here. And that's point P. And now we need to find the equation of the tangent at point P. So remember, an equation touches the circle at one point only, so it'll look like this. And so to find the equation of a line, you need a slope and a point. We have our point, but we need to find the slope. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the slope between the center and P, and then the slope of the equation of the tangent is going to be perpendicular to that slope. Okay, so let's find the slope first between P and the center. Okay, so I have minus 8, 11, minus 2, 3. Okay, let's write down the slope formula now. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and label then x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, let's sub in now. So y2 is 3 minus y1, which is 11. x2 is minus 2, then minus 8. So 3 minus 11 would be minus 8. Now be careful with the minuses here. I'm going to have minus 2 plus 8, because a minus times a minus gets you plus. So then that will be minus 8 over 6, which will simplify then to minus 4 over 3. So this is the slope now of the green line in our diagram. So that's the slope of the radius. But we don't need that. We need the slope of the perpendicular to this. So the perpendicular slope, remember you turn it upside down and change the sign. So that's going to be our slope now, 3 over 4 for the tangent. Now we have our point, which is minus 8, 11. So again we have x1 and y1. Now our formula, so y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Again, this is in your formula books. So let's sub in now. So we'll have y minus 11 is equal to 3 over 4 x minus 8. Okay, and let's work this out now. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply across by 4 to get rid of the fraction. So on the left, I'm going to have 4 times y minus 11 is equal to 3 times x plus 8. So let's expand these brackets now. So I'll have 4y minus 44 is equal to 3x plus 24. Now you want to give your final answer with x always being positive. So that means I'm going to bring everything over to the right. So I'll have 3x, 4y goes across, it'll be minus 4y, still have plus 24, minus 44 goes across to make it plus 44. So let's simplify this now. So we'll have 3x minus 4y plus 68 equal to 0. And that then is the equation of the tangent. Okay, any questions, please leave in the comments. Thank you.